Welcome back to Fox's Fans Talk, to this crucial 6-pointer against the Wolves. It's one that both teams are looking to get maximum points. Happy Christmas.
And you, Merry Christmas to everybody in Leicester, and Happy New Year, because I won't be here for the next game.
Oh, won't you?
No, I'm having a nice operation on Friday.
We shall miss you then.
Yes.
What's your thoughts on today then?
Oh, we want to win, don't we? Got to get a nice cushion to sit on for over Christmas. Got to win. What's the midfield, do you know?
I've not heard the team news yet.
No.
It should be out now, but it's I don't know.
Nice and cold for them.
It's whether the goalkeepers are playing, that's the main thing.
Ward, rubbish.
Yeah. Okay,
Right,
thanks for that. Do you think we'll win today then?
Yeah, I think so. I think comfortably.
I'm sure
it'll be.
3-1, oh, you're a good lad, you are. I hope you're right.
Just get after him straight away.
Yeah.
Send the Foxes, send the Wolves back to the woods.
I think we'll do it today then.
Oh, I'd like to say 2-0. Christmas present of a clean sheet will be great.
Yeah. Well, thanks, Santa. Let's hope you're all right.
You're welcome.
Cheers.
Your attention please. Simon Hill from Winston. Simon Hill from Winston. Contact the nearest student. Simon Hill.
The team news.
Yes,
Unfortunately, the goalie's not playing, but
it's a shame that one, isn't it?
yeah. What's your thoughts on?
2-1.
You think we'll still win?
I'm trying to keep a straight face. 2-1.
To us,
It's all
obviously.
my mates out there. Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
And them in Norway, what a scene of the year.
All right.
I've forgotten the names.
Well, they'll remind you in the comments. Please comment in my on my YouTube channel. Okay, thanks. Right, let's have a quick word with you then. Are you all ready for Christmas?
Yeah.
So we want 3 points today.
Hopefully.
Be a nice present.
Yeah, it would it?
Thanks a lot.
It's the best present to be at Liverpool, won't it? If we can beat them.
Oh, I don't. Well, you never know.
I'm dreading that one.
But then Man City coming here, they're going to...
Manchester City will start and win again.
I know they will, yeah. They'll get back to form again, won't they? So you've heard the team news then?
Yes.
And what's your thoughts on that?
I, obviously, having been the founder member of the Danny Ward fan club, I'm delighted to see him back in. Not. That's my biggest concern. I thought it might change it a little bit more than he has after last weekend.
Yeah.
But, you know, and I'd also like to see Buonanotte start rather than Ayew, but
Yeah.
I've not seen him in training, so it's the keeper that concerns me the most. So
That's right.
we'll see.
Well, let's hope we get a decent result anyway. We need the 3 points.
Well, 3 points is ideal as long as we don't lose. I think a draw is not the end of the world. They're going to have a new manager bounce.
Yeah.
You know, so
Okay.
the point won't be the end of the world.
We'll have a word at half time and see if we're 1-0 up or 2-0 up. Okay.
See how many mistakes Ward's made.
Be tried memory forever I die. With the silence of the lambs beyond that feet, courageous shin more victory sweet. Walsh's header against the Gunners so fine. Money at Wembley, not once but twice divine. The Rocket.
throw that Oh no! Oh no! That was disgusting, wasn't it?
I sack all back four, goalkeeper. We got no midfield. How do we score goals with no midfield?
Look at that now.
Yeah, it's very cold. It's shambles, isn't it? Terrible communication and errors again at the back. I think Leicester allowed the fella to turn, didn't they, on the side of the box their first. The error from Justin. The wide men are ineffectual, aren't they? I mean, they're not taking any of them on.
No, it's poor.
So they're giving the ball away. It's the same old issues, isn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, nothing's been solved with the new manager.
I think it's embarrassing, really. It's just like mistakes again. I don't know what the third one. I don't know how Ward didn't get a hand to it or anything.
No.
And then the one before that, he kind of fell over backwards and let it roll in the back of the net. It's just like, I think he's given up the keeper.
Yeah.
And then again, we're not really holding on to the ball. We keep falling over a lot. It's just poor, I think.
He's in there for the time, same like
I can't see us going far, can you?
No, I think they'll part the bus now and that's us done.
I'm lost for words. I'm hoping that the rain carries on and the game gets abandoned. Because I think that's about our only bloody hope.
That's his only hope.
I can't add anything more to what they've said. The guy doesn't communicate. We called it at the beginning that he's a problem. He was the goalkeeper that got us relegated previous season when we went down.
Yeah.
And he's got worse.
Yeah.
They've got no trust in him at the back. You know, all right, Vestergaard, Justin were both culpable. But he's got to be communicating to them about what they need to be doing. He's got the full picture in front of him. And yeah, but offensively we've been really weak as well. Giving the ball away, just sloppy.
I mean, you think a major match like this would be up for it, but
yeah, I know. Yeah, really poor.
I mean, it would be embarrassing, but they probably should take the goalie off. That's how bad it is. They've got to take the goalie off.
Oh yes,
fair there.
So,
I agree.
Yes, freebies.
Blimey. Could have been fun.
Surely they're the players to bring on.
Oh, and he's injured now.
That'll be the next thing we need, isn't it? Vardy out for a while.
Yeah.